Welcome back, everyone. Today is day 3 of our volunteer work at Ashram Village. The garden is really starting to transform, and we are continuing our work in cleaning up the garden and bringing even more life back to the space.
And yeah, this part was definitely a tough one. As we worked our way up higher in the garden, the grass got longer, thicker, which made the job a bit harder. But Yentel and I kept our heads down, pushed through and got it done. As you see in this video, there's still lots more to do. We keep sharing exactly what we're working on along the way. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.
You will see me on the right hand side trimming down the thorn bushes and making them nice and neat. On the left hand side, you will see William cutting down and taking out a tree that has previously been cut down but has regrown over time.
Our game plan was Yento cutting behind the bushes while I shoveled and cleared as she went. This way, I could sneak in behind the bushes and clean efficiently, dodging those sneaky thorn bushes like a ninja and making sure they didn't turn me into a pincushion.
I'm just raking up all the twigs and debris, making the area clean, while you will see William busy taking out the weeds and other debris with a shovel. And I'm raking everything away from him so he has a clean space to work in.
Here I'm tackling a big bump in the ground, because nobody wants an awkward lump ruining the garden's look. I carefully leveled it out, making sure it's nice and even, and as you see it will look much smoother and cleaner, giving the whole garden area a neat, polished, finished look that really makes a big difference. This part was especially tough because the ground was so dry, making it really hard. As you can see from all the dust, it really shows just how parched the soil was.
And here I go, giving it a spin. Just once. Okay, maybe twice. Trying not to launch it into orbit. Spinning it like a garden trophy. Don't worry, it's all under control. Mostly. Here I am standing on the side, watching William tackle the thorny bushes and weeds like a true garden warrior, because like I say, it's better to be a warrior in the garden than a gardener in the war.
Yentel and I were just standing and talking when we made a big discovery. A hidden paving under all the grove. I called it out, and we couldn't believe it because we didn't even know it was there. It was a huge surprise and made all the hard work feel even more worth it at the end.
We were working under the gazebo and out in the sun, because it was really hot that day. Having a gazebo was perfect. It gave us a cool spot to take a break in between all the hard work. And remember, if you're working in the sun, you always need to stay hydrated and put on sunblock and wear a hat.
And here on the left hand side, you see a small section of the garden that's already clean. We did that as a test area to get an idea of how big the job would be to remove all the weeds. It was about 2 to 3 meters long. That's why I noticed it's already finished in this part of the video, but I'll still go over it and give it a final rake just to finish it off.
While William is raking up all the weeds, I am at the back of the bushes, trimming, cleaning, and opening up things for better airflow. Just cutting back anything too long or out of place to keep everything looking neat and tidy.
Alright, we'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. It really helps support the channel and keeps us going. Feel free to drop a comment down below and let us know what you think or what you'd like to see next. We'll catch you in the next one as we continue back to the ceiling. So stay tuned for that, it's going to be a good one. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.
And here's William, taking a quick break to pull thorns out of his shoes, still mid-battle with the bushes, which are doing everything they can to turn him into a pincushion. And honestly, they're not giving up easily. William sends the shovel over, and I catch it one-handed like a pro, smooth and clean, like we've done it 100 times. You'd think it's part of the job description,